Welcome back to Dome Speed Shop. Today I'm doing a review on the Rustoleum floor coating garage epoxy. So, as per Rustoleum's kit, you're supposed to wash, acid scrub, let the floor fully dry out, and then apply a product per instructions. Now I did that, applied the flake that they give you and the clear coat. Granted, the way I applied it, the clear's a little thin in some spots, and yes, the garage floor is dirty. I haven't cleaned it in forever, if ever. As you'll see in certain spots, it's totally flaked off, like good chunk of it. And those spots, you can see where I had to do a little repair right here to smooth it out. Defect in the concrete from wear and tear, age. But it's strange because some spots just totally lifted. Because my Healy used to be parked over here before I brought home Big Green. And this is a non-trafficked area. No real foot traffic. Now it's bare concrete again. That's just sporadic spots. So overall, a little disappointed in how it flaked up like this. Looks good in the spots where it's still there, but yeah, I thought it'd be a little more durable. Comment down below.